Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove the whole dashboard of Kia Sorento without dismantling into parts. I will remove the dashboard for replacing the evaporator because the customer complained the evaporator or the gas leakage from the air condition after 7 days or 4 days after refilling. You can see that we have removed the central console panel and did not remove the odometer control panel, and we will remove the whole dashboard, not dismantle the small parts. You can see the whole dashboard, and there is uh, whole dashboard is removed. After removing the visible bolts, there is no hidden bolts, just only remove the bolts. As you can see, here is the cooling coil, which I will point the leakage. Hope you will see this small leakage, due to which the whole gas is disappear after 3 As you can see days. From the outside, for removing the whole dashboard, we have to remove the wipers, motor, and the air cleaner, so that we can easily remove these pipes and can assemble after replacing the evaporator. I hope you like my videos. If you're uh, watching my videos first time, please subscribe my channel and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Here the whole dashboard and the picture from inside, you can see the whole dashboard is removed, and now we will install the new evaporator. And after installing the new evaporator, we will fix the whole dashboard to its original position. Hope this video will save your time. Here you can see the whole dashboard is placed at its original position and completing all the tasks. Now the AC is working perfectly. And thank you so much for supporting me and sharing my video to others. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video. Peace.